Here we go round the Mulberry bus.
Here we go round the Mulberry bus, the Mulberry bus, the Mulberry bus. Here we go round the Mulberry bus so early in the morning. This is the way we bulb the hay, bulb the hay, bulb the hay. This is the way we bulb the hay so early Monday morning. This is the way we feed the chicks, feed the chicks, feed the chicks. This is the way we feed the chicks so early Thursday morning.
Monday, Tuesday.
Hi! This is the way we sweep the porch, sweep the porch, sweep the porch. This is the way we sweep the porch so early
Tuesday. Wednesday.
This is the way we paint the fence, paint the fence, paint the fence. This is the way we paint the fence so early Thursday morning.
Wednesday, Thursday.
This is the way we groom the horse, groom the horse, groom the horse. This is the way we groom the horse.
Thursday, Friday.